Morning, dear students. Dear students, we are doing Unit 8 adverbs. And what are adverbs? Adverbs are the word that tell us something more about a verb in a sentence, and how, where, and when the action take place. तो adverb वो words होते हैं जो हमें verbs के बारे में और बताते हैं कि एक sentence के अंदर कि कहाँ, कब और कैसे जो action हो रहा है. Now today we will take the next exercise, which is given on page number 67. Do it yourself. Compare the following sentences by using words from the 8 box given below. So हमें यहाँ पर जो है sentences को compare करना है और यहाँ पर हमारे पास adverbs दिए गए हैं. With the help of these adverbs हमें ये complete करने हैं, which I have already done for you. Is the thief entered the house quietly? So you will write quietly here. Quietly, quietly. Second is she made the bed neatly. Neatly, neatly. See, she watches television every day. Everyday, every day. D. The beautiful girl walked proudly. Proudly, proudly. Next is the old man walked slowly. Slowly, slowly. F. My brother shouted loudly. Loudly, loudly. G. The dog licked his master lovingly. She bit her nails nervously. 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 Next is the girl sang sweetly. So dear student, here we have done exercise 1. Exercise 2. Read the question given below. Write one word answer. First is, how often do you read the newspaper? Every day. Or you can write daily. Next question is, how many times do you go to school without doing your homework? Never. And you can write rarely. See, how many times have you got an excellent grade from your teacher? Always. How many times have you got an excellent grade from your teacher? Always. Next question is, how often do you get punishment from your teacher? Rarely. Next question is, how many times do you disobey your parents? Never. Next question is, how often do you quarrel with your sister and brother? Rarely. Now, exercise 3. Read the paragraph given below. It is incomplete. Fill in each each blank with वन सुटेबल वर्ड. सो यहाँ पर पैराग्राफ दिया गया है जो कि इनकम्प्लीट है. ठीक है, आपकी नोट की जो बुक है, प्रैक्टिस बुक है, उसमें इनकम्प्लीट दिया हो गया जो कि मैंने ऑलरेडी कर रखा है आपके लिए. तो वहाँ पर हमें एक सुटेबल वर्ड फिल करना है. सो आप इसे फिल करेंगे यहाँ से कि रिया इज़ अ डैश गुड गर्ल. तो आप वहाँ लिखेंगे वेरी, VERY, वेरी. Next, she dash helps her friend and speak dash with everyone. तो फर्स्ट में लिखने वाले हैं she always helps her friend and speaks sweetly with everyone. SWEETLY, sweetly with everyone. Next is, she dares disobey her elder. Never. She never disobeys her elder. Next is, she explains things very dash. She explains things very clearly. Next is, she does her homework dash. She does her homework regularly. Next, she also plays basketball dash. She also plays basketball daily. Exercise 4. Read the following conversation that took place between Rohit and Mayank, who had quietly entered a mango grove. सो यहाँ पर कन्वर्सेशन हो रही है किस किस के बीच में, रोहित और मयंक के बीच में, कि जो चुपके से कहाँ पर है, मैंगो ग्रोव में आ गए हैं. ठीक है. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड दैट टेल अस वेयर द एक्शन टेक प्लेस. तो आपको अंडरलाइन करने हैं उन वर्ड्स को कि एक्शन कहाँ पर हो रहा है. सो दिस वर्क यू विल डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ. आप इसे खुद करेंगे. आपको बताना है कि एक्शन कहाँ हो रहा है. हियर, अप एंड डाउन, ठीक है, इन द गार्डन, या फिर गार्डन के बाहर हो रहा है, होम में हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये आप खुद करेंगे कि एक्शंस कहाँ पर हो रहे हैं. दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.